This is how you're going to verify Etsy account. First step is you're going to head over to Etsy.com. You can just type in Etsy.com, and then from here, you're going to first log in or sign up to an account. So you're just going to click on the login or sign up that is usually around here, and then you're going to log in with your login credentials. Now, once you're logged in, if your Etsy requires verification, you will usually see a prompt at the top of your dashboard. So you may see it as a banner right here or a banner right here at the top. Now, if you can't see it, that means your Etsy account is well verified. But if you do, here's what you're going to do. So first is you're going to click on verify now or follow the email link Etsy sent. It may ask for email verification, which you will have to check your email and then click on confirm email. Another is phone verification, which you will have to enter your phone number and then enter the code sent via SMS. Another way is you can do ID verification, which you will need to upload a government ID, which Etsy will guide you anyway, but this is usually done if you're opening a shop. So if you're just a casual user, or maybe if you're just going to order from Etsy, that is not usually needed. And then once complete, you will see a message saying your account is verified. And that's it. That is how you're going to verify Etsy account. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.